In this video, I will show you how to set up council tax in new home in UK. So friends, all you have to do, go to this website www.gov.uk/find your local council, and then from here you can find your website for your local council. Just enter your postcode, for example this one, and then click find your one. So guys, in this case you have City of Westminster. You can get your all information on this website. Just go to this website, westminster.gov.uk. From here guys, look for this option council tax, and then scroll down. You see register for council tax. Just click set up. From here you can set up your council tax from home UK, and then click register council tax. After that, friends, when you will registrations, click apply now. After reading all this, you should be complete this form here. Click apply now, and then you will redirect this page. Click agree and then click next. After that, just await. You will see this submit your all this form, like such titles and first name and middle name and surname, and set up your phone numbers and your email address, and then click on next. And this is how you can do, guys. From this section, write your address details and then click submit option. I hope this guide helpful for you, friends. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.